Okay, you've been warned. It's time to start working on taxes. It can be a really confusing time knowing what's new, what's in, what's out for the current year. Thankfully, we have a little help for you. We're bringing in financial professional Cameron McCarty, president of Vivid Tax and Wealth Advisors, to go over some of these important changes that you need to be aware of. Thanks for being with us this Friday.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so what's top of mind for you? What are the biggest changes this year?
Well, the first one, the big one is the child tax credit.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of people are talking about that because it's in Congress right now. But the IRS commissioner said just file your tax return, and if something gets passed, because again, it's going back to, it's basically the same, $2,000 per qualifying child for a tax credit. So I encourage your viewers that have children that qualify, just file your tax return.
Okay, just get it done.
Get it done.
Line.
Well, let's not go too fast because we've had some drop-offs already and they don't have all their documents yet. And so just wait a little longer. We got till April 15th. I get we want our refunds, but let's make sure we have everything correct in order.
The paperwork is kind of dribbling in.
It
I know
is.
I feel like every few days I go to the mailbox and here's another document with, important tax, so I keep my little pile going. What do you, if I'm your client, how do you want me to prepare so that things go as smoothly as they can?
Well, the checklist, obviously take a look at what happened last year and where are we at for this year. Has there been any changes or maybe additions to the family, or did we lose a spouse or whatever it may be? We want to know that. The other thing we want to know is are we going to itemize this year, or are we going to file a standard deduction? And so many times it's so tough for people to itemize over. It's almost $28,000 for a married filing jointly to with mortgage interest, your donations, property taxes. It's tough for people to throw enough over that wall to itemize. And there's a big change with Iowa too on that.
Okay, explain.
Yeah, so they're really basing your tax return for Iowa based off what you did for federal. So if you're, and I'm simplifying this here, but if you're filing a standard deduction for federal, you're going to be filing a standard deduction for state. So again, I want people to itemize because the law is going to change in a few years. So I'm not trying to take them off course, but those are the big changes especially for Iowa.
And tax bracket changes as well.
That's right. Yeah,
and that's a big one.
Oh, it's huge. It's huge. I mean, we're big with tax planning. I mean, I would be looking at Roth conversions. If, let's say you were my client, I would be looking at that. How do I save money in taxes? But it's also, so here, here's an example. Let's say that you made $100,000 last year and you're a single filer. You're in the 24% tax bracket. For this year, for next tax season, you would be in the 22% tax bracket. So some people might see an increase in pay for this year.
Okay.
So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah, that would be nice, right? A little surprise bonus, if you will.
That, there's that big EV push right now. And so there are tax credits for people that buy an electric vehicle if they qualify up to $7,500. Another one that I see a lot is the solar on our roofs.
Right.
So a pretty sizable tax credit there as well.
So talk a little bit more about that, because I think a lot of people, if they're not financially savvy or, numbers and math have never been my strong suit, it can be really intimidating. And the things that you're mentioning, I think of it as the old mantra, you got to spend money to make money, or spend money to save money, essentially. So, I mean, is it worth it to invest in some of these things to get those tax write-offs or benefits?
That's a great question. I mean, it just comes down to the math, just like you said. I mean, is it really worth it, in terms of spending that money for that new solar system on your roof? I mean, it's a 30% tax credit, based off of that purchase of that. So is that worth it? It really comes down to that break-even point. Does it take 10 years, 15 years before you're ahead of the game? So we just got to run the math and just see what makes sense.
Okay, what about filing for an extension?
Yep. So yeah, let's just keep me in tax season all year round, right? I mean, yes. I mean, so a big one for people that maybe had their mom and dad passed away and an inheritance came there, towards them. Is there a K-1? That's a big one because if you're going to wait for that, it's okay to file an extension. It's not going to hurt you. It's just making sure you get everything done in order. But those are the big events of why you may want to file an extension, or if you don't have all the documents yet.
Okay, that's why we meet with you.
That's right. That's right.
To get
We're
that
here
advice.
to help. We're here to help.
Cameron, thank you so much. As always, we appreciate your time.